going to show you how to make this really fun little landscape silhouette tropical painting. So our first step is to come up with our color palette. As you can see, there's very bright colors in this reference photo, and I have a bunch of neon acrylic paints here. And then we'll start kind of painting from the top. We're going for a sunset, so the colors should kind of be mixed together. To get a gradient where there's two colors meeting, we're gonna take our brush and go over those two colors, and it will blend them together. So if your gradient isn't perfect, don't worry about it. I always say that things that are imperfect tend to be a little more interesting. So if you have, a little drip here and there, I would just go with it. So you're gonna wanna let your gradient dry, and then we'll come back once it's dried and sketch out the rest of the landscape. If you could grab your pencil, we're gonna sketch out the second part of the design. Start with a little wavy line at the bottom for the sand. And then we're gonna do kind of this almond shape for the surfboard. A little island in the background. Little palm trees in the distance. All right, so I have kind of a light sketch of our composition, and then I'm gonna start painting it. We're gonna add the island now and the little palm trees in the background. We're gonna move on to the surfboard now. I'm gonna add a couple lines at the bottom to show kind of ripples in the ocean. So this is a pretty good stopping point. You can keep it like this. I think I might add a little more detail to mine. So here's my finished tropical landscape silhouette painting. This is a fun little painting to do to brighten up your day or brighten up the room if it's kind of getting gray outside or cold in the fall or winter. Check out my channel for other cool craft tutorial videos and subscribe below.